didn't know that was happening. You see it? It's still going up. So what is it?
I literally was just like, okay, I don't know.
You're like, so.